How to add a payment method on GoDaddy, the updated guide. First, you will need to sign into your account, then click on your profile name in the top right corner and go to the My Products section. From here, you will need to scroll down and choose the plan which you want to add a payment method for. I will choose Websites Plus Marketing, and you want to click on Manage here. Now, give it some time to load. Then you will choose Store and Settings, and right here, once this page loads, you will see the option for payment methods. Select payment methods, and depending on your region, you will either be able to accept PayPal or other platforms. If you want to pay with PayPal, you will click on Connect and people can pay you using PayPal. Or you can also set up offline payments. You will be able to accept payments outside of your online store, provide your own instructions, which is good for paying in person, paying by cash, check, or bank. And that is how you set up a payment method on GoDaddy. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.